Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily close all tabs on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also put your likes, and be sure to write comments at the end of the video. So, let us get started with you. First of all, open Safari on your iPhone. I'm going to show you an example of an open page already open in the browser. When you have a page open, mine is Wikipedia. In order to see all the tabs that you have open in parallel, you will need to click on this sign in the bottom right corner. This way, you'll be able to view all the tabs that you have active. In order to close them, for example, you will need to either click on the cross at the top of the tab. This will close the tab, but if you have quite a lot of them, let's say 20, 30, maybe even 50 or more, it can take a long time and it's not convenient at all. Then you have to open one of the tabs. Click on this sign and hold it down until you see this menu. And then you have to choose to close the 4 tabs. And then you confirm the action. And in this way, you close all the tabs that you have open. The same thing applies to the private tabs that you have. If you have them here, you can also select one of them, click on the tabs sign, and choose to delete them all. Friends, by such here simple methods you can quickly close all the tabs, your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, be sure to put your likes, and see you soon.